One of my favorite comfort foods is Japanese curry, and it doesn't get much easier than making it in an Instant Pot. The entire process takes about an hour from beginning to end, and you can adjust the recipe however you see fit. Let's go to the kitchen.
The first thing that you'll need to do, obviously, is gather up your ingredients. So we have our chicken drumsticks, table salt, Japanese curry, black pepper, soy sauce, carrots, water, oil, and some russet potatoes. You'll set your Instant Pot to saute mode, and it'll take a few minutes for it to get to extra hot. While that's happening, cut up your potatoes into good sized chunks like so. And you can also take this time to season your chicken with some salt, pepper, and a little bit of oil. Give that a good mix. When the Instant Pot is ready, it will say hot on the front. Put a little bit of oil in there, and then you can put in a single layer of your chicken. The goal here is just to get a little bit of color on that. You want to brown up your chicken, keep it moving so it doesn't stick to the bottom. You might need to add a little bit of more oil along the way. And then once that's ready, you can remove your chicken and put it into a clean bowl. After you removed all the chicken, pour in about half a liter of water to deglaze the bottom, and use a wooden spoon to scrape up some of that brown off the bottom of the pot. Add a dash of soy sauce and your Japanese curry powder. Go ahead and give that a good mix. So you can stop the saute mode and switch over to meat and stew mode and set that for 6 minutes. Next, you can put in a single layer of those potatoes that you've cut up. Followed by your chicken. Baby carrots. And the rest of your potatoes. And close the lid, ensuring that the pressure valve is in the up and down position, like so. It takes a few minutes for it to get to pressure, during which time you'll see the steam coming out of the top. And then when it actually reaches the pressure, it will start its countdown process from 6 minutes down to 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. At this point, it will stop cooking, but the pressure will slowly release naturally, or you can just hit the pressure valve there to release it. Open up the lid, and there's your Japanese curry. So it's a good idea at this point to give it a good mix. I like smashing up some of the potatoes there to help thicken up the sauce as well. And you can see that the meat just falls right off the bone. Serve with a little bit of white rice. Put the chicken and the sauce on top, and you're ready to go. So that's a quick and easy recipe for Japanese curry in an Instant Pot. Until next time, I'm Michael Kwan. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next week.